Hello, brothers and sisters. This is Bishop Francis Kalabat. As we continue to face the current epidemic together, it is important for us to continue to make sacrifices for each other in safety, as well as especially during those times when those who are vulnerable are in need of our help. I'm here today with Dr. James Lynch, president of the Beaumont Hospital in Troy as well as in Grosse Pointe. Thank you for coming, Doctor. Really appreciate your presence here, and I wish to give the time for you to address our community.
Thank you, Bishop Francis, for inviting me here today. My name is Jim Lynch, and I'm the president of Beaumont Troy and Beaumont Grosse Pointe. And I'm here today because we have been communicating with each other about the seriousness of the COVID crisis amongst us. We care deeply about you and your families, and it has been brought to my attention that at Beaumont Troy, where we usually have a population of about 10% of Chaldean faith, we are now up to approximately 40% this past week of very ill patients, and in fact, one day this week, 8 of 10 patients in our intensive care unit were of Chaldean faith. I'm here today to tell you we need to do some simple things to turn this around. Wear a mask, both inside and outside. Stay 6 feet apart. Wash your hands. Avoid public gatherings, as hard as it might be, unless absolutely necessary. In very high-risk situations where young kids and elderly live in the same family home, the transmission rate is very high. Children may not be sick, but it may accidentally cause senior citizens to become terminally ill. It's not worth it. We care about your health. Please follow these simple rules and stay healthy.
Thank you, Dr. Lynch, and thank you for the work that you're doing for our community. Brothers and sisters, while it's good to return to church on daily activities, we should consider also limiting ourselves to attending gatherings, as the good doctor mentioned, such as First Communions, graduations, even weddings and funerals. If you must attend, please take the necessary precautions. They're important for your safety and the safety of others. As for our young people, it is important to be conscientious of the venues that you visit and what you may be bringing back to your household. For those who are older or more at risk, or for those who are concerned, please remember that there's still a dispensation from your Sunday obligations of attending Mass. If you're not currently attending Sunday Masses, then you should consider also not attending funeral Masses or weddings. For those who have been attending Mass, thank you. Thank you for wearing a mask. Thank you for maintaining social distance. Thank you also for obeying the rules. You've been wonderful. And thank you also for all the volunteers who've made our churches safe during Sunday Masses. But let's also remember and pray for those who have lost their lives to this disease and those who are currently suffering from it. We're hopeful that together, with the right sacrifices and a bit of patience, we will minimize the spread of this disease to protect the health of ourselves as well as our loved ones, for this society and for our community. Together, we can make a difference.
Thank you.
Thank you.